Good morning, students. In earlier class we discussed regarding about muscular system, and today's class we are going to discuss about human skeletal system, right? So it consists of a framework, bones and few cartilage. The human skeletal system is formed by framework of bones and few cartilage. So how many total number of bones are presented in human body? 206 bones are presented. And human skeletal system has two parts. There is a human skeletal system, two different parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial and appendicular skeleton, and this is the flow chart of skeletal system. So total number of bones are 206 in the human body, and the human skeletal system, which is made up of with bones and cartilage also, right? And total 206 bones, and majorly two different regions, that is axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton 80 bones and appendicular skeleton 126 bones. And axial skeleton is the major. So what is the base skeletal system? Axial skeletal system. And by the attachment of the axial skeletal system, the appendicular skeleton is formed. Appendicular appendages are attached to axial skeleton. So the total number of bones are presented in axial skeleton 80 bones. The total number of bones presented in appendicular skeleton 126 bones. Total bones in human body 206 bones, right? So axial skeleton, so in axial skeleton, so there is different types of the bones are presented in different locations, that is skull and vertebral column and sternum and ribs. The bones which are presented in the region of skull, vertebral column, sternum and ribs, these bones are called axial skeleton. So let us discuss regarding about that bones. And skull bones. Skull bones are 22 bones actually. So 22 bones. In the 22 bones, the bones which are presented in the region of cranium 8 and facial 14. 14 plus 8 22. Along with ear ossicles and hyoid bone, the skull bones are 29 bones. Are you got it? The skull bones are 22 because which is presented in the region of cranium. So there is a top of the head, cranium 8 bones and facial bones. The bones which are presented in the region of face region, front of the head. So that is 14 bones. 14 plus 8, 22 bones. Along with ear ossicles, each ear consists with 3 ear ossicles, 3 plus 3, 6 bones, and hyoid bone which is presented beneath the tongue, so in the region of mandible. So that is hyoid bone. Along with ear ossicles and hyoid bone, total number of bones are 29 bones, right? Okay. And next one, vertebrae. So vertebral column bones are 26 bones. So vertebral column bones 26. In that, cervical, the bones which are presented in the region of neck region 7, and thoracic bones are 12. The bones which are presented in the region of thoracic region 12, and lumbar region, so below thoracic in the region of abdomen 5 bones. Sacral and coccygeal, sacral 1 and coccygeal 1. Sacral and coccygeal, both bones are fused bones. So whenever at the time of the birth, these bone number is more. So whenever the age is obtaining, so at that time, so the bones are getting fused and formed as single bone. Sacral single and coccygeal single bone. And these are vertebral column: cervical 7, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, and sacral 1 and coccygeal 1. This order is important, right? Okay, next one. And sacral and coccygeal, where it is presented? So the sacral and coccygeal bones below region of the lumbar region, right? And next one, sternum. So sternum is a flat bone, that is a single bone which is presented in the region of thoracic region. And for the sternum, what are attaches? The ribs are attached to the sternum, right? And ribs are 12 pairs of ribs are presented. So the total number of bones presented in ribs are 24 bones. The total number of bones are 24 bones in the ribs, right? So this is regarding about axial skeleton, skull 29 bones, so along with thoracical hyoid 29, cranium and facial only, that is 22 bones, and vertebral column 26 bones, and sternum single, and ribs are 24, 12 pairs of ribs are presented, right. So that is total 80 bones of axial skeleton. And next one, appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton, how many bones? 126 bones are presented in appendicular skeleton. So appendages, so whatever the based on axial skeleton, the different types of the appendages are attached. So what are our major appendages? Those are limbs, right, forelimbs and hind limbs. For axial skeleton, appendages, forelimbs and hind limbs are attached with the help of griddles. You understood or not, right? So there is 2 griddles are presented, and there is 4 appendages are presented. So how many appendicular bones are presented? Total 126. Griddle 6 bones, forelimbs 60 bones, and hind limbs 60 bones. Forelimbs, each forelimb in each hand is 30 bones, 30 plus 30, 60 bone, and each leg there is 30 plus 30, total 60 bones. So 60 plus 60, 120, and griddles are 6 bones, right. So let us discuss first regarding about limbs. So forelimbs, in hands, what type of the bones are presented? So total number of bones which are presented in hands are 30 plus 30, that is 60 bones. And in hands there is humerus. So humerus is 2. So here given 2 hands, both hands. So in one hand humerus is 1. So where the humerus? In the humerus which is presented from the shoulder region to forearm. So that is called as a humerus. And upper arm, the bone which was presented in the upper arm, that is called as humerus. And radius. So radius and vulna. The radius and vulna which is presented from the region of elbow to wrist, means in the region of forearm, the bones which are presented in the region of forearm, those bones are radius and vulna, right. And carpals, so 1 radius and 1 ulna in one hand. So in 2 hands, 2 radius and 2 ulna. Carpals means the bones which are presented in the region of where? Wrist. Those are carpals. So 6 bones are presented. And metacarpals, the metacarpals which are presented in the region of palm, those are 10 metacarpals are presented, right. And phalanges, so phalanges are presented in the region of the bones which are presented in the region of where? In the region of fingers. Those are 28, means 14 phalanges are presented in one hand, right. So these total number of bones are 60 bones. Humerus 1, in one hand I am telling, humerus 1, radius 1, ulna 1, carpal 6, and metacarpals 5, and phalanges are 14, right. So total number of bones are completely, there is 30 bones, 30 plus 30, 60 bones, right. And next one, hind limbs, in the region of legs. So each leg consists with how many number of bones? 30 bones, right. So 30 bones. So what is the description of the bones? So those are femur, the bone which is presented in the region of thigh, so largest bone in the body, so that is femur. And tibia and fibula. So after femur, patella. So the patella is single, the knee bone which is presented in the region of knee, that is called patella single. And tibia and fibula, the bones which are presented below the region of knee to ankle, that is called shank region. So one tibia and one fibula. And tarsals, the bones which are presented in the region of ankle, those bones are called as tarsals. 7 bones are presented. And metatarsals, so metatarsals, the bones which are presented in the region of where? Foot region, that is called metatarsals. And phalanges, the phalanges means the bones which are presented in the region of toes, those are called phalanges, right. So the complete bones which are presented in one leg is 30 bones, 30 plus 30, that is 60 bones are presented. So these are regarding about bones which are presented in forelimbs and hind limbs. So next one, the bones which are presented in the region of griddles. So there is 2 different types of the griddles are presented in the skeletal system, that is pelvic girdle and pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle means shoulder girdle. For the pectoral